Ever seen a photo of Earth from space? That's remote sensing, gathering information from a distance. Remote means far away. Sensing means collecting data. It's like spotting a bird in a tree. You know its color and size without climbing up. Every time you snap a photo or use a TV remote, you're using remote sensing in your daily life. But scientists take it further, using special tools on planes, drones, and satellites to study entire forests, oceans, and cities. These tools measure energy, sometimes visible light, sometimes invisible heat or microwaves. By analyzing this energy, we can track wildfires, monitor crops, or measure melting ice. Remote sensing gives us super senses for the whole planet. It's not just for rocket scientists. It's how we explore and monitor our world. From simple photos to complex satellite images, it's all about gathering clues from afar. This helps us track changes, solve mysteries, and make smarter decisions to protect our planet. Remote sensing lets us see the unseen and understand the big picture. It's a powerful tool for keeping an eye on Earth. So next time you see a satellite image, remember, you're looking at science in action. It's how we learn about our home without ever leaving the ground. Consider this. How do we get those stunning views of Earth? Satellites. These machines orbit our planet, circling it again and again. Hundreds of satellites are up there right now, acting as our eyes in the sky. They carry specialized sensors, not just cameras, that detect different types of energy reflected from Earth. Healthy forests, sick crops, city lights. Each reflects energy in its own way, and satellites capture it all. There are two main types: passive sensors, which collect natural sunlight reflected from Earth, and active sensors, which send out their own energy, like radar or lasers, and measure what bounces back. Passive sensors are like taking a photo in daylight. Active sensors are like using a flash in the dark. Active sensors can even see through clouds and work at night. Radar satellites, for example, measure ocean waves or ice thickness using their own energy. These technologies let us observe the planet day and night in any weather. Satellites are the ultimate remote sensing tool. They help us see the world in ways we never could from the ground. Remote sensing scientists are like detectives, and their main tool is the sensor. Some sensors are like super cameras, multispectral and hyperspectral imagers that see far more colors than our eyes. These sensors create spectral signatures, unique color fingerprints for everything from crops to roads. LiDAR is another tool using laser pulses to map the ground in 3D, perfect for finding hidden ruins or mapping cities. All this data is massive, so powerful computers and smart software are essential. Algorithms process images, classify land cover, and detect changes over time. The real magic happens when technology in the sky and on the ground work together. With these tools, scientists can identify materials, assess conditions, and reveal details invisible to the naked eye. Remote sensing turns raw data into knowledge. It's how we uncover the secrets of our planet. Every image is a clue, and every tool helps us solve the puzzle. That's the power of being a planet detective. What do we do with all this technology? We use it to forecast weather, protect the environment, and map our world. Weather satellites track storms and clouds, helping meteorologists predict and warn about dangerous weather. Scientists monitor deforestation, shrinking glaciers, and animal habitats, all from space. By comparing images over time, we see how our planet is changing and respond to climate challenges. Remote sensing powers the maps and GPS on your phone, showing roads, buildings, and even land elevation. Farmers use it to check crop health and save resources. Geologists find minerals and spot landslide risks. City planners track urban growth and green spaces. Remote sensing gives us a broad, objective view, essential for smart decisions. It's the foundation for managing our world efficiently. The possibilities are endless. Why does remote sensing matter? It lets us see Earth as one interconnected system, not just separate places. We can track dust storms, melting ice, and global changes, seeing how everything connects. This knowledge empowers us to understand climate news, ask better questions, and make informed choices. Remote sensing turns us into active participants in caring for our planet. It's also a frontier of discovery, mapping Mars, studying distant planets, and exploring the unknown. By learning remote sensing, you join the adventure of understanding our world and beyond. Earth is our only home, and remote sensing is its ultimate checkup. It shows us where our planet is healthy or hurting, and how it's changing. Seeing the big picture helps us appreciate, protect, and connect with our world. Every satellite image is more than a picture. It's knowledge, power, and a way to care for our home.